Welcome to the Tech Force Airgun Guru Show, and today we're going to talk about a wonderful accessory. It is a laser flashlight and the mount. It's a complete kit. This mount will fit on any 1-inch tube meaning scope, 1 inch in diameter. I'll hold it up here so you know what I'm talking about. Right here, you see I have it mounted forward, 1 inch in diameter. It also has the 2 compartments for the laser and the point. This comes with the flashlight and the point sight. Also, it comes with where you can use it by just pushing the button, or it comes with the pressure sensitive unit where you put it here on the stock at your fingertips. When you want to use it, you just squeeze it. So this is a great accessory. I know you guys that like to hunt the little groundhogs and the raccoons and the possums at night. This is fantastic. Great flashlight. This is well constructed. Comes with all the batteries. You can see the different batteries here. Comes with your adjustment tools to mount it. And again, it'll fit on any 1-inch tube diameter scope. This is great for not only air guns, but is also great for regular firearms or tactical air guns. You know, we've just introduced this into the Tech Force line. We're really excited about it, and they're selling off the shelves like hotcakes. So if you want a quality point sight laser that projects out, and you want a flashlight combo to go with your scope, this is it. And the price you're going to absolutely love. So I'm going to get the cameraman to come in, and I'll turn on the flashlight and the point sight and kind of work around the scope so you can see it from all different angles. But this is the Tech Force laser, flashlight, and mount combination. So from the Tech Force Airgun Guru, have a nice day.